Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to give you, say a 2-week update on the plants that I imported from Ecuagenera. I had 2 orders, one small and one larger. We're going to go over the plants from the smaller order. So let's get to it. Okay, so again, no particular order. Let's start with the Philodendron Gosum. I don't know if you recall, I did see this plant. I think I saw it on an Ecuagenera pop and I was like, oh, it was so cute, and I purchased it and it came pretty much like this. I will insert pictures so you can see. I'm hoping that something will happen and it will like wake up, but that has not happened yet. It hasn't yellowed. I don't see any signs of rotting. So I have it in an aeroid potting mix. I did soak it for 24 hours post arrival with Super Thrive and distilled water. I'll keep you posted. Alrighty, second plant I want to go over with you is I don't want to mess it up and I'm not good at these names, so forgive me for reading. Anthurium villanovarum. There, I did it. This plant actually shipped pretty well. I mean, this leaf looks a little worse for wear. I don't think it was like this when it came in, but I again will try to see if I can find pictures of what it looked like when it shows up. You can probably see the video that I did post of the unboxing. Again, it's an aeroid potting mix. I have no new growth yet. This older leaf seems to be a little yellowing, but it's still firm, still looks good. I just have to keep an eye and see what happens. All right, I don't regret purchasing this plant. It shipped the best out of all 4 that came in the order. Alrighty, this was my nightmare. I don't have words for how I felt when I unboxed this one. It came yellow. It has not done more yellowing. I guess I should be grateful. This new leaf looks like a weed whacker was taken to it. This is the Philodendron Palamani. I mean, it has a caterpillar. I don't know if you can see caterpillar there. If push comes to shove, I'm sure I can get a lot of nodes out of it. I'm sorry I use these things to kind of keep it up because it was drooping in all different directions. Right now I have it in an aeroid potting mix. I am just watching this thing and see what happens. Worst case scenario, I will chop it up and get a lot of cuttings and wet sticks and whatever. I totally forgot what the root looks like, and I will again try to get pictures and insert so you guys can see. Okay, now I don't know if you recall, in the first video I did have a Vecurosum 2, Philodendron Verrucosum 2. It didn't look it didn't look bad as far as I can recall, but something happened and I chopped it. I cut it and put there was one leaf attached to this, and it was in, I put it in sphagnum moss, a tough leca. So this was the new one. That's not gonna survive, if you can see. It's not gonna survive. But there seems to be another, can you see? Another new leaf coming right there. So if I'm lucky, this one will come. I have no clue what's going on in there in terms of the sphagnum moss, and I am too scared. Actually, we're here. Why not just look? Ooh. 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 Okay. So, I don't regret this. So, I don't know if you can see. There's a growth point here, and I have roots. I have aerial roots going in. Not rotted. I think this one is gonna be okay. So let's just put it back in there. Not gonna go crazy. Great choice to chop. And then this is the base. So I have it in a terracotta. It's a plastic inside terracotta. And this is what this one looks like. Yeah. That's the back. And that's the front. And I have a growth point and another growth point, and love it. So half and half. I'll keep you posted. I don't have a lot of hope for that Palamani. I think the Philodendron is gonna be okay. I know this one is gonna be okay. I have no clue about the Gosum. Don't get me started on the, I mean, it looks so beautiful on the website. But anyway, I'll keep you posted. Thanks for joining.